Rome, the capital of Italy, is a city with a rich history and a diverse array of neighborhoods, each offering a unique atmosphere and charm. The heart of Rome is its historic center, where iconic landmarks such as the Colosseum, Roman Forum, and Pantheon are located. Across from the Tiber River lies the Bohemian neighborhood of Trastevere, characterized by its narrow winding streets and medieval buildings. To the northwest of the city center is Vatican City, the smallest country in the world. Each neighborhood in Rome contributes to the city's mosaic, offering a different experience and showcasing the layers of history that make Rome a captivating destination. Hey, how's it going? Nick here, and you can find me at navigatornick.com, showing you how to get the most bang for your travel buck. In this video, we're going to talk about the different Rome neighborhoods, apartment and hotel recommendations, and some travel tips for navigating the Eternal City. The Old Rome neighborhood, also known as Centro Storico, is a treasure trove of iconic landmarks, charming squares, and classical architecture. It's a dynamic mix of ancient wonders, lively piazzas, designer boutiques, and vibrant streets. This neighborhood, rich in history and culture, seamlessly blends the old with the new, offering an immersive experience for future navigators. In the middle of Old Rome stands the magnificent Pantheon. They say that the Pantheon is the most beautiful relic from ancient Rome. Built between 25 and 27 BC, the Pantheon was a temple dedicated to the 12 gods. Everyone must have a ticket to enter the Pantheon, and they start around 15 euros for adults and 10 euros for those under 17. If you want to learn more, scan the QR code or click the link in the description. Piazza Novana is another jewel in Old Rome. It's a large pedestrian open space full of Baroque architecture, the Fountain of Neptune, and the 17th century church Sant'Agnese. The Trevi Fountain is arguably the most famous attraction in Rome. Visitors toss a coin over their shoulder into the fountain, ensuring that they return. And right down the street is the Spanish Steps. The Steps are a popular gathering spot and a symbol of Rome's status as a fashion capital. The surrounding area is dotted with high-end boutiques and designer stores. Campo di Fiori is a vibrant market square by day and a lively social hub by night. The morning market offers fresh produce, flowers, and local goods. In the evening, the square transforms into a lively atmosphere with bustling restaurants and cafes. As you can see, it's no secret why everyone wants to stay in Old Rome. However, it does get a little hectic and a little expensive, so if you find a place you like, make sure you book early. Here are some hotel and apartment recommendations for every type of traveler. In the center of the Colosseum neighborhood stands the Colosseum. Adjacent to it lies the Roman Forum and Palatine Hill, a sprawling archaeological site featuring ancient government buildings, temples, and basilicas. The neighborhood is a living testament to Rome's imperial past, and these monumental structures attract millions of visitors annually. Don't forget to book an underground Colosseum tour early in the morning. The neighborhood is just not about history. It's a vibrant area with a lively local scene too. Visitors can discover charming trattorias serving authentic Roman cuisine and gelato. Staying in the neighborhood of the Colosseum is best if you plan on an early morning Colosseum tour and would like to be near some of the most amazing rooftop bars in Rome. Here are some hotel and apartment recommendations for every type of traveler. As you make your way over the Tiber River and past the castle of Sant'Angelo, heading west, you'll definitely start to feel the energy pick up as you get closer to Vatican City. Vatican City, home of the Pope, is the smallest country in the world. Not many people know this, but I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Do you know you can turn on the lights and open up the doors to the Vatican? The absolute best experience is joining the keykeeper as he unlocks the doors of the 500-year-old Vatican museums that house some of the best artwork in the world. This obviously sells out months and months in advance, so make sure to book it early. Unfortunately, when we were there, it was already sold out. But you best believe I'll be doing this the next time I'm in Rome. I can't say I would recommend staying in Vatican City because it's so far from everything else, but if you have an early morning keykeeper tour or you want to be the first in line, there are some nice options. Here are some hotel and apartment recommendations for every type of traveler. Trastevere, meaning across the Tiber, is a lively and picturesque neighborhood in Rome. This historic district, known for its narrow cobblestone streets, medieval buildings, and vibrant atmosphere, offers a delightful blend of Roman authenticity and bohemian charm. As you wander through its small winding alleyways and streets, you'll encounter laundry hanging from the windows, traditional trattorias serving Roman specialties, and locals engaging in animated conversations. This area is a captivating showcase of daily Roman life. Here are some hotel and apartment recommendations for every type of traveler. Personally, I'll be staying in Trastevere the next time I'm in Rome. If you're still with me, thank you so much. Please give the video a like if you enjoyed it. Here are a few tips that I'm going to recommend. The first one is always pay in euros, because if you pay in your country's currency, it's going to be more expensive. My next tip for you is to always use Apple AirTags or tiles and put them in your bag. Every single one. This way you can always track where they are, and if they get stolen or if the airport insists that they do not have them, you can track them down. The third tip I can offer is to use packing cubes and the rolling technique to save on room and keep your luggage organized. Not only will it keep your luggage organized, but you'll have more room in your suitcase to bring things home. My last and final tip is to learn a few basic Italian words and phrases such as please, thank you, you're welcome, and where's the bathroom. That one's pretty important. Thank you so much for watching the Rome Travel Guide. I hope you subscribe down below. If you have any questions or concerns, leave a comment, and until next time, happy travels and keep on navigating.